So the literature on the three topics of gender perspectives in relation to the digital transformation of bioeconomy we found was scarce. So in the report, we looked at the areas in pairs instead. So those being bioeconomy and digitalisation, digitalisation and gender and the bioeconomy, aiming to find some common ground instead. And by looking at the intersection of these three areas, digitalisation, bioeconomy, and gender, analyzing the commonalities, we identified two major conclusions and themes. So firstly, the momentum of the shift in workforce demand, both within bioeconomy and technology sectors, can be used to actively redefine the stereotypical bioeconomy worker. And secondly, the need for female leadership, mentorship programs, and networks is widely emphasized as a key to attract more women to the sectors. So as we saw that the research and reports was scarce regarding digitalization's effect to gender equality within the bioeconomy, the report aims to start filling that gap, and it will also serve as a science-based foundation for the remaining parts of the project. So new in this project is the focus on the intersection of the three areas: digitalization, bioeconomy, and gender equality. And we are specifically interested in how does the digital transformation affect the gender balance within the bioeconomy. As forestry and agriculture are two of the Nordic region's most gender segregated sectors, and digitalization could, in theory, benefit the gender equality within those sectors. However, this hasn't happened, and the digital transformation within the sectors instead risks strengthening the power structure, since ICT, which is information and communication technology, related university education, and also professional groups are also male dominated. So to address these challenges associated with the gender imbalance and the digital transformation of the Nordic bioeconomy, SNS and NKJ initiated this Nordic collaboration project. So the idea of the report is to mainly provide all actors involved in forming the future bioeconomy with a deeper understanding of the current gender imbalance and its implications. And by informing of this and providing discussion forums, these actors get a chance to increase their knowledge and discuss how to work with the issues at hand. So the project will result in a handbook, and the aim of this handbook is to present hands-on advice on how gender equality in relation to digital transformation can be incorporated into relevant courses and course modules within the Nordic bioeconomy related university education. And by creating a better understanding of this problem, possible solutions, and working on the issue together with those who educate tomorrow's employees in the digital bioeconomy, we hope to contribute to a change in this course. So next to come in this work towards this handbook is going to be dialogues with different stakeholders in the bioeconomy sector, where we will discuss the digital transformation and how it affects gender equality in these selected organizations. And followed by this, we will have discussion forums where we aim to gather academia and industry to talk about how university education can integrate the gender perspectives when studying the digitalization of the bioeconomy.